you should know. Perhaps you think and or are the most straightforward operators to apply. This isn't exactly true. To be sure of what you are asking the computer to do, you should know how SQL treats these reserved words. Let's quickly revise some of the queries we ran in the last few lectures. When we executed select with the condition that an individual's first name must be Dennis, we retrieved 232 rows. Then we ran the same query, adding a condition to the where clause. We were looking for min only. We extracted 140 rows of data. To achieve this, we used the AND operator. This means that AND binds SQL to meet both conditions enlisted in the where clause simultaneously. We selected the data satisfying both condition 1 and condition 2. Thus, the list obtained through the last query contains people who meet both criteria. Their first name is Dennis, and their gender is male. That's why only 140 rows, a number smaller than the initial 232, were extracted. The difference is represented by the number of women, 92, named Dennis. Great! Now, let's see how OR works. We can execute the same query, changing the conditions in the where clause to first name Dennis or first name Elvis. Perhaps you think it is logical to obtain in two outputs, one containing a full list of individuals named Dennis and another one containing those named Elvis. However, that's not how SQL understands things. You will obtain a single output, a list of all individuals whose name is either Dennis or Elvis. This list will contain a combination of the records of the two outputs you are thinking of. Moreover, the first names will be scrambled. They are ordered differently, following the employee number. This list contains 478 rows of information, 232 of all people named Dennis, plus, obviously, the 246 people named Elvis. To prove to you that this is the way SQL understands the and or operators, let's run the same query using and instead of or. Notice how both conditions are set on the same column, first name. We execute this query and Workbench returns nothing. Ha! SQL was unable to find a person named both Dennis and Elvis at the same time. Therefore, we can conclude that we should either use AND with the condition set on different columns, or we should use OR with condition set on the same column. Wonderful! In this lecture, we saw the output we can expect when declaring conditions with the OR operator. I think right now we have an awesome tempo in this section. Let's try to keep it up in our next video.